Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about introduction to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the internet based computing. Yes, it is a technology where the resources provided as a service through the internet to the user. What are the important characteristics of cloud computing? The five important characteristics of cloud computing are on-demand self-service, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, and measured service. What do you mean by on-demand self-service? What do you mean by on-demand self-service? It is one of the important characteristics of cloud computing. On-demand self-service. User can provision and manage the computing resources through the internet without require any human interaction with the service provider is called as the on-demand self-service. The second one is broad network access. What do you mean by broad network access? The cloud services are accessible from any devices including the laptop, smartphone, tablet and desktop computers. The third one is resource pooling. Resource pooling is one of the important characteristics of cloud computing. Resource pooling describes a situation in which the supplier deliver the services to numerous clients. That is, any customer or any tenant is called as the resource pooling. The fourth one is rapid elasticity. Rapid elasticity is nothing but cloud services can quickly scale up or down based on the demand. Next one is measured service. The user or build based on the actual usage of resources is called as the measured service. Next one is deployment model. There are three cloud computing deployment model. One is the public cloud. What do you mean by public cloud? Public cloud is the cloud computing model where the cloud services are provided and managed by the third party cloud service provided over the internet. The very important thing is in public cloud, the infrastructure and resources are shared among the multiple organization and user. Okay. The second important type of deployment model is private cloud. The private cloud is the cloud computing model where the cloud services are provisioned and used exclusively by a single organization. Okay. The third one is hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is the cloud computing model that combines the elements of both public cloud and private cloud. The next one is cloud service model. There are three different types of cloud service model. One is the software as a service. The second one is the platform as a service. Third one is infrastructure as a service. What do you mean by software as a service? See, software as a service is a cloud computing service model. The application are delivered over the internet on the subscription basis. Instead of installing and maintaining software on individual computer or server, user can access the application through the web browser or any other client application. Some of the important characteristics, some of the important features of software as a service are accessibility. Accessibility is very important because the application are accessible from anywhere with the internet connection. The second one is multi-tenancy. Multi-tenancy is nothing but the applications are designed to serve multiple customers from a single instance of software is called as the multi-tenancy. This is also one of the important features of software as a service. The third important one is automatic update. User automatically receive the latest version of the software without need to perform any manual updates. The next one is pay as you go pricing. Pay as you go pricing is nothing but the billing is completely based on the actual usage of resources. The next one is the platform as a service. It is a cloud computing service model that provide platform for developer to build, deploy and manage the application. It provide platform as a service. In platform as a service, the cloud service provider manages the entire infrastructure, including the server, storage, networking, operating system, etc. The next one is infrastructure as a service. It is a cloud computing service model that provide visualized computing resources through the internet. User can access and manage the fundamental computing resources. What are the fundamental computing resources? The virtual machine, storage, networking, other infrastructure component without need for the physical hardware ownership or maintenance. This is called as the infrastructure as a service. Thank you.